Right, so the XC90 went this week and I've managed to pick something up a bit more suitable for delivering pizza. And I'm going to turn the camera around because I'm starting to look more homeless than usual. Now, it was a bit of a rush purchase because I'd got fed up of looking. Obviously I didn't want to travel anywhere to get a car, but I did genuinely need one. I'd actually almost given up looking when I found this in Selby, which is actually where I'm delivering for Domino's anyway. So I was able to go look at the car before work and I decided to buy it. So it's a 320 Ci SE. I'm not sure whether the wheels are genuine, but I'm not sure whether they are standard for the SE or what they are even. To be quite honest, I haven't even looked around the car properly. I was more focusing on how the car drove, and it drives great. It's got 106k on it, and the engine is silky smooth. It's nice and quiet as it is actually running. I don't know whether you'll be able to hear it. There's obviously little issues, but nothing unusual really. The screw holding the rear bumper in, that's normal. To be honest, I haven't even opened the boot yet, so I don't know if this actually works. Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, I didn't even know I had a CD changer. Let's see if that works. Looks like a space saver. All the tyres have plenty of tread, so bar any mechanical failures, can't really go wrong. I only give £550 for the car, so I'm hoping it should do its job nicely. Now, something I always struggle to get used to is when the window switches are in the centre console, but honestly my first thing that I noticed was the fact that it has 4. I was thinking, oh well, surely the rear windows don't slide down, but I quite prefer what they do, so I do like that. Tape player, very useful, but if it does have a 6-disc CD changer, that'll be pretty good. I haven't even checked what sort of history it came with, but it appears to have some receipts. I do love how smooth the engine is. It's nice and quiet to tick over, and when you're driving, just beautiful, honestly. 2.2 6-cylinder. This light here's been going in and out, I'm not sure what it's regarding. So yeah, it's unusual for me to take a video before I've even prepped the car, but I mean, like I said, it was a bit of a rush purchase. I was desperate not to keep putting over 100 miles a day on the 1 Series. So it's absolutely begging for a decent polish. I don't know if you can see on the video, but it's, you know, it's got loads of these little scratches that will come out nice and easy with the compound polisher. So I'm not 100% exactly what I will do with the car, but it'll tide me over for doing deliveries, and I might do little things like, you know, get some new centre caps, just make it look a little bit better, but I'm not going to invest much time or money into it at the moment. I'll wait for the lockdown to cease and things to hopefully improve. Thanks for watching, keep safe, keep subscribed, keep up to date, and I really appreciate the support.